Hi boys and girls, today for Skills Unit 5, we will be doing lesson 14, and this lesson is all about review. We will be reviewing the different letters that make up that sound and that schwa sound, and we will be looking at the different spellings of Okay, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to read the words that are spelled with the sound, the schwa sound, and the sound. Okay, you will also be able to capitalize the names of people and places. And you will use clues in the text to identify the meaning of a word or phrase. You will also be rereading the story called The Letter. Okay, you will be answering questions about the story. You will also be identifying different vocabulary words in the story and discussing challenging portions of the text. So maybe a sibling, maybe a parent, a grandparent, you go to them and tell them all about what you read. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So apply your knowledge. We're going to complete this worksheet. You can pause this video and complete the worksheet, or you can do it after the video. It's up to you. But first, let's read the directions so that you know what to do, and then we'll read through the words inside the box, and then we'll go ahead and get started on the worksheet, okay? Or you can do it after, like I said. So directions. Write the best word from the box to complete each sentence. So let's go ahead and read through the words. We will start with the first one, mother, petals, camel, bubble, decide, afraid, jungle, wonderful, and cousin. Okay, all those words have that sound in it. And they have the schwa sound. Remember, some letters can be super lazy and make that schwa sound. For example, the word mother has that schwa sound, that sound. That letter O makes that sound in mother. Okay, let's go to number 1 and complete that one. Let's read it together. Could you help me blank between a cookie or a cupcake? Which word out of that box best fits in that sentence? Okay, if you picked the word decide, let's plug it in and see if it makes sense. Could you help me decide between a cookie or a cupcake? Yes, that is the correct word. Nice job. Okay, and I would cross that word decide right out because you used it. It's gone. Okay, go ahead and complete this worksheet now, or you can complete it after the video, up to you. Okay, let's go ahead and move on. Again, you are applying your knowledge to 14.3. This is also a fill-in-the-blank page. Directions say write the best word from the box to complete each sentence. Let's read through those words, and then you can go right ahead and get started or do it at the end. First word, bubble, maple, apples, single, beagles, candle, noodles, poodles, eagle, and stable. Okay, like I said, you can go ahead and complete this page now by pausing the video, or you can do it at the end. And it's the same thing. You're reading and filling in the blank. Okay, next, let's do more review, okay? What is a common noun? Common noun, a person, place, or thing. Again, common noun, a person, place, or thing. You can say that over and over again in your head like a chant, like we do in class, okay? Proper nouns, that's the name of a specific person, place, or thing. Okay, so your name is a proper noun. My name, Mrs. Brown, is a proper noun. New York City is a proper noun. Okay, they gave us some examples down below, gave us some common nouns, and then gave us some proper nouns. You can go ahead and take a minute to read through those. Okay, next, We'll move on to our next picture. Ooh, subject and predicate. Okay, we know all about this now. Subject is who the sentence is about. And a predicate tells what that subject is doing. Remember, to make a complete sentence, you need both a subject and a predicate. Okay, let's go ahead and move on. Your next page, parts of speech. This is 14.2. Okay, let's read the directions before we begin. Find examples of these parts of speech in the boat trip and write them on the lines. So you're going to want to look through the story called The Boat Trip. You're going to want to find a common noun, a proper noun, okay, and then a proper noun that names a person. Okay, and you can go back to this slide if you'd like and review what a common noun and proper noun are. Okay, let's go ahead and move on. You can pause the video incomplete or you can do it at the end. As I said in the very beginning, you are rereading the story called The Letter. And then you're going to answer these questions. Please write your answers down on a sheet of paper. Okay, you could pause this video so you have the questions up. And that is it for today. Okay, everybody have a great day. Please, please, please let me know if you have any questions.